Skyhood Outdoors here. Well, I'm out here on the Potomac River here in Aquia Creek doing some pre-fishing for our tournament tomorrow. And what seems to be the norm lately, wind, and more wind. Just launched actually, got off a little early today. Just launched and I saw a boat getting towed in. Another guy was coming in saying it's real crazy out there on the main river, so I'm basically going to just go ahead and concentrate over here on Aquia Creek. As you can see, the water is pretty much chocolate milk. We got a huge wind coming off from the northwest, so yeah, it's going to be kind of brutal. But don't worry guys, I'm not going to go out to the main river. I mean, my little 16-foot boat, I mean, I'm sure I can do it, but no sense getting beat up all over for nothing. Tomorrow we'll be fishing our stop 2 of Battlefield Bass Region 1 tournament here on Potomac River. We actually are going to be launching here from Hope Springs, but I'll be in George's boat, so you know, a little bit heavier boat, a little bit bigger. Plus I think it's not supposed to be as windy tomorrow. So anyway, I'm just going to go out and do some scouting around here. Going to be idling around, see if I can find some grass. Probably not going to be able to do much fishing, unfortunately, unless I can find a secluded cove or something over here, but we'll see what happens. So stand by and enjoy the action of me trying to stay afloat and stay on my fishing spot, so stay tuned. Alright guys, another quick update. I actually had to go up the creek here, try to make a run a little bit down out towards the main river, and it's just ridiculous, so I'm going to go ahead and concentrate my efforts back real up creek, where the, as you can see even here, I mean the water is just crazy. I don't know if you can even hear me. The water is just crazy dark and windy, so we'll see what we can do, so stand by. Alright guys, I'm just going to start off here real quick with just a regular square bill 1.5 chartreuse green black back in this really muddy water. See if we can find something. This water is like I said, chocolate milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch to something that's got a rattle in it, a little brighter color, crawdad color. Haven't had no hits or no bites or nothing yet. I've been out here for about an hour, just trying to stay out of the wind. Back here, way back in Aquia Creek, in these little canals. So we'll see what we can come up with. Keep watching. Choked the RBT, baby. Choked it. There you go, buddy. Look at that. On an RBT Custom Crankbait. RBT. He's hurting. There he goes. Let's make sure he gets out of here. All right. Come on, buddy. There he goes. He's good. Oh man, wow. I gotta get my boat squared away here. I mean, I'm battling this wind. I mean, there's probably like 15 mile an hour, 20 mile an hour winds here. Plus I got the current going out, and I hooked into that great fish. He was gut hooked, gill hooked. So I had to kind of do some surgery on him, but nice fish on the RBT Custom Crankbait. Got blood all over my boat here. But I did let the fish go. You did see it. He's going to be just fine. Wow. So basically, real shallow up on wood is what I got him there. So I mean, with this wind and everything, I was hell trying to get everything organized and try to get him out. So let me go ahead and get somewhere where I can turn around and maybe hit this thing again. You can see the wind is just blowing me at probably about a good 5 or 7 knots here, just across this coming out of this creek here. So, wow, that fish was probably pushing about 4 pounds. Awesome. I'm still a little shaken because of just all the stuff I had to get through. So, anyway, stand by and let's see if we can catch some more. Yeah. Whoa. Look at that, baby. Number 2 on the RBT Custom Crankbait. Look at this sucker. Look at that fish. Look at him. Woo. Awesome, bro. Awesome. See that right there, guys? That's what she was caught on. That RBT Custom Crankbait. All right, here we go. Let him go. Let him go. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Awesome. See, sometimes the conditions can suck and you can just find yourself a spot. I mean, yeah, I'm dealing with a lot of wind and a lot of craziness here, but I tell you what, I've come across a pattern. Now I've caught 2 on wood along this bank here. Now, I don't know if they're going to be like this here tomorrow, but that's what I love fishing for. Boom, Sky High Outdoors. Alright guys, it's about 3 o'clock. I don't know if you can hear me, but I went ahead and tried to see if I can venture out a little bit past this railroad bridge again, but it's still too rough. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. I think I know where some fish will be tomorrow. It's not supposed to be as windy at all tomorrow, so it's going to be a totally different atmosphere, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. I'm going to go ahead and get to the boat ramp and kind of go over real quick what I did, and then we'll go from there, so stand by. What's up, guys? Sky High Outdoors here, back in the truck. I was going to kind of do this outro out of the boat ramp, but just, number one, it's just too windy, plus there's a bunch of boats coming in. There's going to be another tournament out of here tomorrow as well with another 20, 30 boats, so it's going to be interesting tomorrow with our tournament going out of here and this other tournament coming out tomorrow, so that should be fun and interesting, and you'll be on the ride, so stay tuned for that. That'll be in the next video after this one. So yeah, so basically just like a real quick recap. So this is my second pre-fishing trip out here on the Potomac before this tournament. I went out last week with Scott Favors, you know, the president of our club. We actually launched out of Quantico Creek, you know, which is one creek north of here. We had a good day, actually. We did some stuff out there at Chickamunxin. We went up to Mount Woman. No luck there, and we basically went back into Potomac Creek, and we're catching fish on chatterbaits in the grass. Unfortunately, my GoPro died during that trip. I did get one probably about 20 minutes of footage the very beginning of the trip. We were actually in Chickamunxin, and actually I'm going to go ahead and show this clip right here. This was Scott Favors actually explaining how his new hooks that he's working on, the PCH hooks. So go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and play that clip right now, so go ahead and watch this. What's up, guys? Sky High Outdoors here. I got invited by our club president, Scott Favors, to come out and do some pre-fishing here on the Potomac. We're out here in, what creek is this again? Chickamunxin Creek. We just had a nice snakehead we just brought in the boat on a rattle trap. He's going to show us some real quick things about his hooks here real quick.
Alright, this is what happens when you catch a big snakehead on the Potomac River. See how that hook's all tore up right there?
Yep.
This is the great thing about Pacific Coast hooks. Normally it would take 3, 4, 5 minutes to change the hooks out. Take that hook out, get rid of it. Pacific Coast hooks.
Boom, done. That's
done.
awesome.
I'm ready to start fishing again. I don't have to wait to deal with split rings or anything like that. We built the split ring into the hook. So there was a perfect example why Pacific Coast hooks are so good. I don't have to replace a split ring. It took me just about 3 seconds, and I got another hook on there ready to go.
And you're back in the water. There you go, guys. That's awesome. Where can we find information about those?
Facebook.
Facebook? Under Pacific Coast Hooks?
Coast Hooks.
All right, so I'll leave a link in the description about that so you guys can check them out. So some pretty good stuff. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below in the way you can get some information about those hooks. They're not really out yet, but he's working on a deal, trying to get some stuff squared away. So you might be seeing those hooks out on some well-known baits in the future. So stand by for that. But anyway, so back to today. Today I launched out of Hope Springs Marina here in Aquia Creek. This is where the tournament's going to be out of tomorrow. Windy as all get up. You saw the water was like chocolate milk. I tried going out to the main river. I just couldn't do it in my boat. You know, it's only a 16-footer, and I don't want to take any chances out there. So I basically went ahead and just went up creek. I went ahead and fished all the way up by the Aquia harbor up there, the marina. No luck in there. Tried to find some grass and some deep holes with some, trying to do a Texas rig. I didn't get nothing there. It wasn't until I actually started working my way back, I came across basically the entrance to the skinny part of Aquia Creek, and the wind was blowing just right for me to be able to just ride the wind. And I started throwing that bright red RBT Custom up against the wood, and I caught those two nice ones. Each one of those was probably pushing about 4 pounds. So we'll see, So I know of 2 ways we can catch them. Hopefully we can catch them in some grass if we can get out there on a chatterbait, or we can go back and get some woods, get some action on some wood. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow. So I'm going to take you guys on for the ride. So anyway, so stay tuned for that tournament video coming out in the next couple days. Hopefully we'll be coming back with another good bag and maybe even another check. Other than that, this is Sky High Outdoors. Oh, one quick thank again for subscribing. Thanks again for commenting, all the good stuff. And this is Sky High Outdoors, and that's a wrap.